A gutter repair is important because it can help prevent water damage to your home. Gutters that are not properly functioning can cause water to leak into your home, which can lead to water damage and mold growth. A gutter repair can also help improve the look of your home by making sure that your gutters are clean and free of debris. Maintaining your gutters on a regular basis is important. Negligence can lead to more costly repairs down the line. If you have any questions about gutter repairs or would like to schedule an appointment, give us a call today. We can also help you with your gutter installation, whether it is seamless gutters or rain gutter repairs. We are a full-service rain gutter installation, cleaning, repair, and replacement company serving both residential and commercial clients throughout the Boise, Idaho area. With over 20 years of experience, we know how important it is to keep your gutters working properly. Our professional team of experts will install your gutters correctly, clean them out thoroughly and make sure they are ready for whatever Mother Nature throws at them. Book your next gutter services with Boise Gutter Experts.